Hello everyone, today we have a Jeep Wrangler 3.6. A customer concerning that there's a misfiring. So we did the diagnosis and we found that fuel injectors 1 and 3 not working. Number 1 is completely doesn't work and number 3 is weak. And we also opened the spark plugs. The spark plugs was bad, so we changed the spark plugs. I'm gonna put everything back together and run the car and see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Now everything put back together. I'll go crank it and see how it goes. So it's a manual, a little pain in the ass. Burns good. It has a little ticking sound, and most likely it's the rocker arm on this side of the engine. This is something I'll do later when it gets worse. But that's it. Problem solved.